Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a few seconds like this. In the appeared menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option recovery mode. And after that, when you see this Android robot laying down and the no command message under it, just hold down volume up and press power key once. Hold down power key and press volume up once. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here in recovery mode you can navigate using volume keys, and you can select using power key, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, you can either select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.